This is a driver's side mirror off of a '94 Camry, and it got hit and busted off. So I found another one on eBay, and it happened to be the right color. But if I had one that wasn't the right color, it would be nice if I knew how to remove the glass, the mirror. And so, because mine wasn't broke, I wanted to remove the mirror. Well, I wanted to see if I could remove it, so that if mine ever did get broken, I would be able to replace just the mirror. And there wasn't anything on YouTube for the 92 to 96 Camry, so I'm going to make this video for anybody who would like it. And I've taken the mirror off, so at least you can know it can be taken off. And if you look at the back of it, you'll see these points right here. This is where it unclips off of the inside mechanism. So you've got 5 clips. Okay. This is the inside, and this is the outside. And where these clips fit in, you've got your 2 on top, 1 on the outside, and then 2 on the bottom. So that's where you're going to be unclipping. And if you look at the back of the mirror, on the top, there's an opening. If you look at the top, or if you look at the back of the mirror, and it has a frame that goes around here, a raised edge, black frame all the way around it. But right here in the center, there's no ledge. And so if you wanted to take it apart, this would be a way you could stick your screwdriver in and pry it out there. And then on the outside corner, near the bottom, is where the other opening is, down here. You see where the frame, the raised edge, there's an opening right here. So if you were to stick your screwdriver in there and pry, then you could pry these points off. So I think you can do it with a screwdriver. You just have to manipulate the motor whatever way in the mirror so that you can get access to the top, coming down to put your screwdriver in there and pry out, and also from the bottom at an angle to pry it out. And it's going to go right back in the same way. So I'm going to pull this out so you can see it. You won't be able to pull yours out like this. But see, with the clips, you just line them back up however way they are. And push them back in. See, then now it's just like your other replacement mirrors. They clip in, and to take it apart, coming from the top, you'd be sticking your screwdriver in this opening, prying out open the top, and then on the bottom you'll be looking in here at going at an angle, and see there's the opening. You could get your screwdriver in there and pry it out, and that would break free your replacement mirror. So if you had to change your mirror and you couldn't get the same color, well, it's possible you can just replace the mirror section of it without having to replace the whole thing or whatever. So just thought you'd like to know, and it might be helpful to somebody. I know it's an old car, but it sure runs good. So we're going to keep it going as long as we can. Okay, I hope that helps out.